Hello kay PH. Para sa mga gustong malaman kung qualified na ba sa replacement ang shock absorber ng expander natin. So meron po yung oil leak criteria, condition at saka action. So yung level 5, yung oil leak niya based on the picture nasa oil seal case. So that's normal oil evaporation, not necessary to replace the shock absorber. Yung level 4 naman, yung condition niya is moderate oil. So ang oil leak niya ay nasa seal case pa rin. Oil seal case. So yung action niya is normal oil evaporation, not necessary to replace the shock absorber. Yung level 3, yung condition niya is oil leak drip on the seal case extending below the spring seat. So makikita nyo po dyan sa picture, it is a abnormal oil leak and it should be replaced. Replace the shock absorber. Yung level 2, yung oil leak niya is covering the top of the spring seat and part of strut body. So abnormal oil leak, replace the shock absorber. Yung level 1, yung oil leak niya is covering the entire strut body, spring seat and knuckle bracket. Abnormal oil leak, replace the shock absorber. So pag lumagpas yung oil leak sa spring seat, that means need na ng replacement. To make sure, you need to touch the strut body if it's oily. If it is oily, then it is qualified for replacement.